No delay on the runway, make the next rudder left, contact ground point 6.
Contact ground point 6, 018.
No delay. Cessna 1 Romeo Bravo, turn base, runway 21, clear to land.
21, clear to land, 1 Romeo Bravo.
Cessna 23 Victor Tower will call your base turn, traffic holding in position.
Got the base, see the Victor. Scottsdale Tower, Cherokee 15438, South of Deer Valley, 3,400 currently, would like overhead transition for Falcon.
Cherokee 15438, Scottsdale Tower, transition approved at or above 3,000, Scottsdale altimeter 3016.
3016, transition approved at or above 3,000, Cherokee 43, thanks.
Cirrus 6 kilo golf, make the next rudder left, contact ground point 6.
Ground point 6, 6 kilo golf. Scottsdale Tower, Cessna 1444 Charlie is 10 miles to north with information Papa at 4,200. We'd like to request full stop taxi back with Papa.
Cessna 1444 Charlie, Scottsdale Tower, remain clear, class Delta, standby, expect 3 minutes.
Altitude.
Clear class Delta and standby for 3 minutes, 4444. One Hotel Juliet, right downwind 21.
Cirrus 1 Hotel Juliet, roger. Cessna 23 Victor, base turn approved.
Base turn approved, T3 Victor.
And Cessna 23 Victor, runway 21, active traffic will be holding position. Gulfstream 9 kilo X-ray, runway 21, line up and wait. Traffic Cessna 2 mile left base, be ready to go.
Line up and wait, 21, 9 kilo X-ray.
1 Hotel Juliet Tower, call your base turn.
1 Hotel Juliet, standing by for base turn.
1 Hotel Juliet, next rudder left, contact ground point 6.
Next right turn, ground point 6, 1 Romeo Bravo.
Gulfstream 9 kilo X-ray, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Clear to go 21, 9 kilo X-ray.
Cessna 23 Victor, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land, 23 Victor.
Cirrus 1 Hotel Juliet, traffic to follow is a Cessna left base, turning 1 mile final.
Looking for traffic.
Altitude.
Cirrus 1 Hotel correction, Cirrus 1 Hotel Juliet, follow the traffic. Number 2, runway 21, clear to land.
1 Hotel Juliet, looking for traffic, clear to land, 21.
Cessna 44 Charlie, enter midfield, right downwind, runway 21.
Midfield right downwind for runway 21 for 444 Charlie.
Cessna 774, frequency change approved.
774, getting.
Cherokee 438, frequency change approved.
Cherokee 438, fine.
Gulfstream 9 kilo X-ray, contact previous departure.
Switching to you.
And 701 Alpha Tango, we'll get you going after this Cirrus on the 1 mile final lands.
Roger that, Cirrus in sight, 1 Alpha Tango.
Altitude. $500.
This is 23 Victor, turn right next taxiway, at the ground point 6, good day.
Ground point 6, 23 Victor. Scottsdale ground 23 Victor, on Alpha 12.
23 Victor, you still clear? Symbol 1 Alpha Tango, runway 21, line up and wait.
Line up and wait on 2-1, 1 Alpha Tango.
Just 4-4 Charlie, start a left turn and a right base, runway 21.
Left turn for right base 2-1 for 4-4 Charlie.
Cirrus 1 Hotel Juliet, safe parking.
Ross.
Juliet, turn right next taxiway, cut at ground point 6.
Ground point 6 for 501 Hotel Juliet.
Symbol 1 Alpha Tango, right close traffic approved, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
2-1 clear for takeoff, right close traffic, 1 Alpha Tango. Scottsdale ground, sir, 501 Hotel Juliet, Alpha 11, taxi to Ross.
5 Hotel Juliet, Scottsdale ground, taxi to Ross via Alpha.
501 Hotel Juliet, Ross via Alpha.